Good morning. Today, I want to talk about a yoga pill for evil. Evil. I ask myself, what is evil? Evil is the sense of separation. That something evil is not something with you, something that is other. The real source of evil in our bodies is with the separation of mind and body. You see this coming out in posture when people speak. I think of Pompeo, Secretary of State. He talks like this. Literally, it's like the predator is coming out of his throat. Watch. Disembodied. I can talk as if an ugly is coming out of my throat. The cure is really to integrate the heart and the head. When you feel lack, when you feel like, I'll try to do that, or, I should have done this, or like these sorts of self-doubt, these sorts of separation, of really your wholeness comes when you lose this connection here. This connection between the uplifting energies of the heart and the exhalation of your visions and intentions. On the other hand, you see John Bolton like this. He's just evil intentions. Really, Pompeo speaking lies, predator drone. Watch it in yourself. Lift the heart. Inhale and liberate yourself from hatred. Exhale and manifest yourself in love. Inhale and liberate yourself from hatred. Exhale and manifest yourself in love. Lift your heart. Open your rib cage. Free your heart. You know there's a more beautiful world that is possible in your heart. Pull the lying, the fear, and the lack. Push it back. Inhale and liberate yourself from lack. And exhale, manifest yourself in love, compassion, empathy, coherence. Namaste.